Hi, good morning, my dear students. Once again, I will welcome you all to the social science class of 6th standard. Today, I would like to take the first chapter from the first part of social science, that is geography, first chapter. Okay, its name is Globe and Maps. Globe and Map is the first chapter of social science from geography, first chapter. Okay, so on the board you can see the heading Globe and Maps. Okay, today we can focus on the first chapter, Globe and Maps. Okay, my dear students, in previous classes you might have studied what is a map and what is a map. Anyhow, no matter, I shall teach once again you about what is a globe and what is a map. Okay. In a simple words, my dear students, listen all of you. In simple words, I can explain you that globe is a true model of the earth. Okay. Globe is a true model of the earth. It is in spherical shape. Okay. And at a time we can see only the one side of the globe. Okay. As per the photos taken by the satellites of our earth, it is proved that our earth is in round shape, it is in spherical shape, just like an egg. Okay, or we call it as, otherwise we call the shape of the earth as oval shape. Oval means that another name for egg is known as oval. Okay, so oval shape means the shape of egg. Okay, accurately the shape of earth is somewhat just like the shape of egg. In another words, we can call it as geoid shape. Okay, shape is known as geoid. The shape of earth is known as geoid. Okay, scientifically it is known as oblate spheroid shape. Now simply you are in 6th class, I know. So simply remember that is the shape of the earth is geoid shape. Okay, and in our solar system, our earth is on the 3rd position. Okay, there are 8 planets are there in our solar system, and our sun is the head of the family of planets, and all the planets are revolving as well as rotating on its own axis. Okay, our earth is also rotating, and as well as it is revolving around the sun. Okay, and you might have studied for one complete revolution our earth takes 365 and 1/4 day, and for complete rotation our earth takes 24 hours. This 24 hours we are dividing into 2 halves. One is daytime and one is night time. Okay, 12 hours daytime and 12 hours night time. Okay, and we know that globe is the true model of the earth. Okay, there are many benefits are using by using the globe. First of all, we can understand our globe is just like the shape of the earth, and we can see the location very easily, whether it is in north or south. Okay, and we can understand its latitude, and different countries are marked by different colors. Okay, and we can see the 1/4 of the earth is covered by land, and remaining 3/4 part of earth is covered by ocean, and ocean is marked as, ocean represents by the blue color on the globe. Okay, you may have seen that, and our 71 approximately, you see, okay, 71% of the earth is covered by water, and remaining 29% is only land. Okay, this is land. Okay, and when we are looking at the photographs of the photos of earth from the satellites, we know earth is just looking like a blue color. The reason is because of the presence of water and atmosphere. Okay, And another interesting thing is that our Earth is the only suitable planet for living beings to live here, because it has water, atmosphere, and other living atmosphere, living comfortable situation to live on Earth. Okay, and when we go to other planets, the suppose we are taking Mars or Jupiter, the climate is very very cold there compared to Earth. And when we go to Mercury or Venus, we can't go there because the temperature is very very high, and only Earth is suitable for our life. Okay, and when we take the climate of the temperature of Neptune, the last planet, it is severe cold. Okay, so it is not fit for living, and moreover we can't see any birds, plants and trees anywhere else except on our Earth. That is why we call our Earth as a special planet, or we call it as blue planet or unique planet, okay, or special planet, or we call it as watery planet or a living planet. Many names are there for our Earth. Okay, and studying about Earth is very interesting. We can see there are many continents and oceans are there. There are 7 continents are there. Can you say the names of the continents? Please try to tell yourself. Yes. Number 1, Asia. Asia is the number 1 or the biggest continent, one of the biggest continents in the world. Okay, Asia is the number 1 in size as well as population, the number of people. Okay, and second one we can say that is Africa, Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Antarctica, and Australia. These are the 7 continents of the world. Okay, and there are main 4 oceans are there, such as Pacific Ocean, the deepest and biggest ocean in the world, and Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. Okay, these are the 4 main oceans of the world. Okay, so, and the science of drawing of map is known as cartography. Okay, the first man who drawn the map of the world was one Mr. Al-Idrisi. Okay, one Mr. Al-Idrisi. He was a navigator. Okay, those who are traveling through the ocean, we call them as navigator. Okay, so he was a navigator just like Vasco da Gama. You might have heard about Vasco da Gama, the first man who came to India from Europe, from Portuguese. Okay, his name was Vasco da Gama. Okay, he came to Kerala and in the year of 1498. Okay, these things in detail we will be studying in the history part. Okay, so my dear students, listen. And when we talk about the globe is we can rotate the globe. We can, by rotating the globe, we can see the 2 sides of the globe. Okay, and it is also very easy to know how different parts of the countries are facing different times or difference in day and time. Okay, and our Earth is moving on its own axis. Okay, that is known as rotation. It takes 24 hours. It takes 24 hours, and if it is early morning, it is early morning in Japan. If it is early morning in Japan, and it will be night in the America. Okay, in the opposite side. Okay, so now we know the time of India. Suppose imagine the time of India is 9 morning and the time of America is 9 p.m. yesterday. Okay, that is a difference of 12 hours. Okay, and that this is happening because of the rotation of the Earth. Okay, and now let us come to maps. Maps are the drawing of the Earth on a flat surface. Okay, we studied that globe is round in shape and globe is a true model of the Earth, whereas maps are the shape of the earth on a flat surface. Okay, so when we compare globe and maps, so many differences are there. Carrying maps are very easy than carrying globes. We can fold the map, we can put in our we can carry with our hand. Okay, whereas globe is, we can't fold the globe. Okay, and it is very difficult to handle also. Whereas maps are very easy, and nowadays we are using in our you might have here seen or using, you might have used Google Maps also. So these maps, Google Maps, help us to locate the places. It tells us the route to a definite place. Okay, and it will tell us the distance from a definite point of the place to another point, and it also tells us the directions. Okay, so on our map and globe, especially on maps, we can see that the topper position will be always marked as north, and the bottom is south, and the right side will be east, and left will be west. You know that sun is rising from the east and setting in the west. Okay, and our earth is rotating from west to east on its orbit. The rotation is taking place from west to east. Okay, that is why we always getting sunrise in the east. Okay, and when we talk about the maps, there are three types of maps are there. First one we can say political map, second one is physical map, and the third one is known as contribution map or thematic map. Once again I shall tell you, first one is political map, and second one is political map, third one is contribution map, or we call it as thematic map. So let us take first about political map. Okay, so political map of a country or a continent or the world, it shows us the differences between states, districts. It shows the important cities, the capital cities, shows the boundary between countries, and shows the boundaries between the continents. Okay, and it shows the correct position of ocean and land also. Whereas the physical map shows the geographical conditions of the earth, such as mountain, hills, valleys, plains, desert, a forest. Okay, this like geographical diversities we can see on a physical map. Okay, and whereas thematic map help us to know the climate of any region, the population, the literacy rate, or based on any studies we are using a thematic map or contribution map. Okay, so I hope I hope you understood the introduction of the first chapter, globe and maps. Okay, so in coming classes I shall explain in detail about the this chapter. Okay, till then, take care, have a nice day. Thank you.